Versionone 1. I spoke about the grid view and its customizations as well. In this tutorial number 2, I'll be talking about strategic themes and portfolio items as well and how to create them. Additionally, I will show how WSJF weighted shortest job first is calculated at the portfolio level. We will see the portfolio Kanban and also how to add child portfolio items. Let's get going. The hierarchy as we will the hierarchy is we will have themes first. Under themes, we will have portfolio items and under that we will have stories. Click on strategic themes. You give the title of the theme and choose the appropriate planning level. We will see more about planning level in tutorial 5. A strategic theme is created at the portfolio and program level. Choose the appropriate as option as per your need. I have created few strategic themes. Just note that this is also a grid view which we explored in great detail in tutorial number 1. I have created theme 1, theme 2 and theme 3. Now let us create a portfolio item. A portfolio item is a high-level entity consisting of large grained features used for planning and grouping the project work, leading to a finished product that holds a business value. For planning the breakup of work across sprints and iterations, you can decompose a portfolio item into smaller portfolio items and stories or backlog items to provide additional details. Now let us see how to create a portfolio item. Click on the Add Portfolio Item. Click on the Add Portfolio Item. Give the title of the portfolio item and choose a project and planning level. Note that the strategic themes that we created earlier are showing up as suggestions. Please note that one portfolio item can be aligned to one or more strategic themes. Choose the type of the portfolio as well. It can be an initiative, feature, sub-feature, non-functional. It can be of any type. Scrolling down further, you can give these parameters. Business value, let me zoom a bit. Business value, time criticality, risk reduction, swag. All these inputs will be used to automatically calculate the WSJF. We will see the WSJF and the calculation in the subsequent slides. You can give a risk scale value as well for the item. Scrolling further down, you give the details of owner, target team status, priority, planned end, planned begin, so on and so forth. It is suggested that we give all of this for a portfolio item. As mentioned few slides ago, WSJF is a calculated number. The numbers for business value, time criticality, let me zoom a bit. The numbers for business value, time criticality, risk reduction, and swag. The arrow mark is slightly misplaced. It is not at the risk scale. It is supposed to be at the time criticality. These numbers were given by us for each of the portfolio items. Version 1 calculates the WSGF for us. The higher the WSGF, that item is chosen. In this case, item 3 is chosen because the WSGF is the highest over here. Let me zoom up it again. The WSGF is the highest over here. The concept and calculation of WSGF and such details is out of scope of this tutorial. However, I have created a separate tutorial on WSGF which is available in my YouTube channel. Additionally, I have given the link to that in the description of this video. However, I put across a table with the numbers which will give some idea on the WSGF calculation. The WSGF of portfolio item is 60. Let us now see what is a portfolio Kanban. Click on Portfolio Kanban under the product menu. Under tracking, click on Portfolio Kanban. This is how the portfolio Kanban looks like. It is a simple Kanban board. Now let us learn how to add a child portfolio. In this grid view, this is once again a grid view. Click on Add Child Portfolio Item. Let me zoom. Add Child Portfolio Item. In this grid view, under the portfolio, pull this arrow to click on Add Portfolio, Child Portfolio Item. Here it shows that we are creating this as a child of portfolio item 3. Shows portfolio item 3 is already here. To make it obvious, I have given the title also as child of portfolio item 3. This is how the portfolio tree will look like with the child item. Let me zoom a bit. This is how it would look. The child of portfolio item 3 is sitting under portfolio item 3. Well, this brings us to the end of tutorial number 2. Thanks for joining. Let's meet in the next tutorial, which is number 3, where I will be talking about budgets.